basically a chest mount, so which you plug in here. Upgraded to this DG Action 4, which is very amazing. So this चलो गाइस, नमस्ते जी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल द माउंटेन किड। आई होप सब बढ़िया होंगे और मैं भी एकदम बढ़िया हूँ। एंड आई होप आपका वीकेंड अच्छा जा रहा होगा क्योंकि वीडियो वीकेंड पे आ रही है। एंड मेरा वीकेंड भी बढ़िया जा रहा है। तो टुडे आई एम हेयर टू टीच यू समथिंग कि हाउ डू आई मेक POV वीडियोज़, क्योंकि मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत DMs आते रहते हैं और कमेंट सेक्शन में भी बहुत कमेंट्स आते रहते हैं कि हाउ डू आई मेक POV वीडियोज़, व्हाट गैजेट्स एग्जैक्टली डू आई यूज़ एंड व्हाट इक्विपमेंट डू आई यूज़। तो बहुत से लोग हैं और भी POV जो बनाते हैं। आई गेस नॉट मेनी ऑफ देम शेयर, बट आई गेस जितनी नॉलेज आप शेयर करोगे उतना ही बेटर है, क्योंकि आई डोंट थिंक सो कि आपका कंटेंट कोई चुरा सकता है अनलेस एंड अनटिल लोग कॉपी करके अपलोड कर दे। बट एवरीवन हैज़ देयर ओन थिंग टू अपलोड कंटेंट एंड हाउ टू make things and how to deliver them on the internet. So today I'm going to show you what gadgets do I exactly use and how do I place them and where did I start from and what equipment do I use. So let's go. So first of all, what I started was with this. This is basically a chest mount, so which you plug in here. You place it here and then you place your phone. So I started with my phone, which I'm shooting started from iPhone 13. So I had this on here, so I used to fix it up here and, over here, and then to place it, so you attach it here and then you place it here. You need to have this as well because it's a phone holder as well, and then you record videos. So I used to basically shoot at 30 fps, not 60 fps. 60 fps gets very smooth. 60 fps only if you want to make slow motions after that. Otherwise I use 30 fps because it looks to the normal eye. I was using this earlier and I shot a lot of videos with this as well. So you mount it on the chest and you use this. After that I upgraded to a GoPro which I sold, but then I upgraded to this DG Action 4, which is very amazing. So this does not come with the what's it called camera itself. So this is a mic, and also you will need a mic. I'm not promoting any brand, but yeah, this works for me really well. You can work anything that goes within your budget, and this helped me a lot. It's been still been going amazing. So you need a mic as well to shoot videos to get better audio. And then when I got an action camera, with it I got a head strap. So basically this is a head strap, and I'll show you how you put it. So basically that's where you put your head strap, and I know my hair, your hair will look as similar to that, and you will mount your camera here over here. And I don't think so not all cameras support mics, but they have good within mics as well. So you use this as well to shoot videos, and it's on you how you want the angle to be. Some place it like this, and some place it like this on the forehead to be upside down. And I mean this totally depends on you, how do you want to shoot it. So if you don't want to ruin your hair and you have something more important, like you want to shoot that way, then you can use this is called a clip mount basically. So I'll show you how it works. So basically with the clip mount you have this, so you will either need a hat with it. I have brought my cap. So basically what you do is you have your cap and you place your holder here, you clip it on here, and you place your action camera here like so, and then you shoot. Or else what you use is you turn it around and you move the camera upside down. And also this particular mount is also used on foot movement. So if you sorry guys, so if you see here, you can plug this here and then you can attach your phone or your camera here. If you want to attach your phone, you will particularly need this equipment, and then you can pull it and then you can shoot POV footwork here as well. So that's how things work, and you'll definitely need a mic. and to have better voice quality. My mic is not attached. This all audio is recorded currently by the iPhone's mic. I guess iPhone is great to shoot with, and I started with the phone. You don't need an iPhone basically, but any phone what you require, and there are way many better what's it called, creators than me, and people who have great amazing content and way more subscribers. I'm just where somewhere I have started. I am all 130 200, but thank you so much. On Instagram I've hit 10,000 followers, and we are a family of 10,000, so thank you so much for that. And then you can start anywhere, be it an action camera, be it your phone. So what I recommend is you to start with whatever you have, because I started with this phone. I've had this phone for almost 4.5 years now since it's launched. So I've been using this phone, and it's been a joy. And as I got to know what I use and what I don't want to use, I started upgrading. Then I got into my camera as well now. So yeah, I use this now. So I'm going to show you how it looks with the POV, and let's get into the POV. Let's have a little bit of drive and let's have some fun. If you were just curious to know about how I shoot POV videos and how I used to shoot, versus how I now shoot. And I hope this video helps you somewhat until wherever you go, and it helps you create content or know and have answers to your questions. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until next time, take care of yourself, family and friends, and I'll meet you in the next one. And if you haven't subscribed till now, please subscribe to the video, like, share and comment down below.